Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Escape battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Don't forget to put on protective gloves and safety glasses. These simple precautions will help you work safely and efficiently throughout the entire process, making the job much easier. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. This prevents any accidental sparks. After that, you can disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove its cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Once it's out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated properly. Then, reattach the hold-down clamp to keep it secure. Almost done. Now, connect the new battery, but in reverse order. Start by attaching the positive cable to the positive terminal, tightening it securely with your wrench. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that nut as well. Give all connections a gentle tug to ensure they are firm. Finally, close your hood and start your Ford Escape to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.